So this video is going to be a bit different. I want to share my vision that I have for this channel and explain a couple things that have been going on in my process as I've been thinking about what kind of videos I want to create for you guys. So I am an educator by day. That is what I do for work. So it's very easy for me to, well, not easy, but it's natural at this point for me to upload these piano tutorials for you guys because I do it all day, every day for my students in real life. I've been teaching people scales and chords and songs and helping people grow as musicians. And it's a career that I honestly did not envision for myself. It just organically happened. I was not sitting here like, I want to be a piano teacher. That actually never crossed my mind. That thought never crossed my mind, if I'm going to be completely honest. I'm an artist, first and foremost. I'm a singer, I'm a recording artist. And so I grew up playing piano, and I kind of just like gravitated into this path naturally. And as I began teaching, I started undoing a lot of my childhood trauma. It's a little traumatic growing up playing piano sometimes when you're Asian. I'm gonna make a whole video about that another time. Now's not the time. But I was, I guess, subconsciously kind of undoing my childhood trauma when I was teaching my students, because I was like, I don't want to do what was done to me, right? So I want to show up as a better teacher. Not saying that my teachers were terrible. They were just regurgitating what was done to them, which is really common, right? So I excel at what I do, and I have for quite some time. And so filming these YouTube tutorials was very natural for me. But YouTube is a new journey that I want to think carefully about because it's a fresh chapter in my path, in my career. And to be quite honest, if I were to make this channel only about piano tutorials, I would burn out. It's not going to be sustainable for me because it doesn't fill my cup creatively. And so while I have endless amounts of information and content and experience to share in that area, and I'll continue sharing that, this channel cannot solely be about that. I have to share myself with you guys, and I want to share myself with you guys. I want to surround myself with a YouTube community that wants me to share myself with them, right? And so that's the kind of channel that I want to create. Right now, I've been doing all straight tutorials, and so I do need to create some of these videos and let you guys know, like, hey, I just want to talk to you. I just want to talk to the camera. I want to tell you guys a story. I want to share parts of my journey as an artist with you, because that's what this is about, right? And if I am not fulfilled creatively, I can't show up for you. I can't be my best self for you. And so I believe that the best teacher is the forever student. So I don't want to show up as the expert in every single video. I actually want to show up in a sense where I'm like, hey, I experienced this. And so if you're also experiencing that, this was going to help you out, right? It's more of like a friend or a guide, you know, it could be a mentor. There are going to be videos where I am a teacher because yes, that is what I do by day. I teach, right? But the artist path is unique in that it can span over an entire lifetime. You know, if you are an artist, you are committing to this lifestyle of bettering yourself, of tapping into deeper levels of healing and creativity. And you're a light worker, right? It's so easy to make this so literal because we live in a society where it's like, produce, give me results, show me where it's at, right? If you're not producing, if you're not creating results, if you're not generating numbers, then it's worthless. And it's so easy to fall into that trap. But as a creative, you have to understand that the things that you're working on are in the unseen. Music is magical. You can't see it. It's energy, right? So these are the kinds of things that I want to share with you. So there's a really well-known book in the artist and creative space called The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron. And in this book, she has a 12-week course that helps you recover your sense of artistry, identity, safety, and creativity. And I actually never finished this course. So I was looking at this and I was like, you know what? I really need to do this. I need to start over and document my journey and share it with my YouTube audience. So I'm going to start creating some videos about my process as I work through this book, as I work through this course, because as I fill my creative cup, I know that it's going to overflow into yours, into all of my students that I see every week, and into anyone that is watching my videos on this channel. While we're on the subject of books, I have some exciting news. I'm actually writing my first book. The book will be called The Art of Piano, and it's my piano curriculum, the way that I approach teaching and learning piano. If you've been watching my tutorials on this channel, you know that I fuse color theory. I talk a lot about improvisational skills, and I focus on building a strong framework within music theory and ear training. And I'm going to go over why those concepts are so important in detail. You can find the same information on this channel, but it's really helpful to just have everything all in front of you condensed in a book. I'm going to also release a workbook as well that helps you with your theory, understanding things like sharps and flats and, chord progressions and scale degrees, because it does get pretty academic. There's a lot of things that you have to learn and memorize, but I want to create resources for you guys. This is going to be my first product. I'm super excited to create this for you guys. And then hopefully this will evolve into an online course and other things like that. I'm going to have everything linked down below in the description, as well as a link to join my email newsletter so you could be one of the first ones to know when I release these products. All right, well, that's it for updates for today, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.